bienvenidos a mi canal. ¿Qué tal estáis tú? Y hoy aquí está mi nuevo coche que acabo de comprar, es nuevo para mi canal. Aquí estoy acomodando todas estas piezas para hacer mi coche verse bien bonito porque es una ice cream truck. Y por atrás pueden ver como trucks y atrás, ahorita les enseño, pero ahorita voy a acomodar todas estas lolipops. Ya tengo todo esto acomodado. So here is my coins. So I have a nickel, like a dime and that stuff, and here's like a quarter, my 20. So I better hurry. At the minute right here. So Charlie, enough food. More food. Ice cream. What else? More ice cream. So here's the chocolate ice cream that you like. Yummy. Chocolate. And you know, like bubble gum. I love bubble gums. And here are the swirly. Oh, that's what I do. Here's a Barbie that is manejando. Here I will put some accessories. So what about this strawberry, chocolate, and caramel? Oh, I love caramel. Chocolate. And don't forget about the strawberry. So, and also don't forget about the belt. And in case somebody needs to ring, some paper. Like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So don't forget about the... I know, wait. Oh, here are the sprinkles, yay! I found them, the sprinkles, yummy. Put the bell. And also you have to put some spoons. Don't forget the spoons. I don't have a spoon. There we go. So I have 3 spoons already, yay! So I need to put these ones with some chocolatey, banana split. So banana split coming right up. Where should I put the banana split? I know. Wait, right over in here. Where it doesn't. The money right. Oh, I will just put it right over here in case. Yep. Here is the banana split. Yummy. So here I will put the, like some delicious little Pringles. So they are going to be cooking. Yummy. Here are the donuts. Yummy. So I'm going to put the donuts over here so I can have some space. Oh. The donuts. These swirly ones. I love these swirly ones. Oh, let me pick this up. Next. Where is the next one? So chocolate. Here's the chocolate one. Chocolate. Caramel one. And the last one is the strawberry. Strawberry. Put these together. Here are ice cream. I love this ice cream. It looks so beautiful. Here it's ice cream. Here I will put like some stuff on it. Let me like put this like over here. Over here. So yeah, we can know. Here I'll put like some. There I will put like the milkshakes. I forgot about the milkshakes. I changed my mind. I have to go this way. I'll put this for being like this. And put the shakes over here, like right over here. Banana split. Then I will put it together so it can be even more faster. The banana split. There we go. So here is the slushies. The slushies right over here. Slushies completed. Okay, so next. I'm almost done, so that's a good thing. Here I have this like little thing so you can pick up these sprinkles because they're going to be pretty hot. So here I put like milkshakes. I would like to put milkshakes. Where should I put them? Right over here. Here, there's some space right here, so that's okay. Okay. So let me put the lollipops for next. So they're grape. There's some orange, yummy. Here's some like lemon. Put right over here and here. Yummy. There you go. So now we're going to put a vanilla, a chocolate with a mix of vanilla, and a chocolate, and a chocolate. That's too weird. Too many chocolates. Many. So I need to put the chocolates on it. So let me put right here. Oh, oopsies. I accidentally. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'll fix them later. Paper, strawberry, chocolate. Here. Next, some ice cream sandwich. Here we go. So we're done right here. Actually, we're not. We still have more yummy, delicious ice cream to order. So here we put my delicious, yummy ice cream. Yummy, 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 yum. That's funny. They blow like yummy, yummy, yummy. That was funny. So yummy, delicious ice creams. So I'm done right now with this. Oh wait, I'm wrong with the spoon. There's actually one pink one. So let me close up this. So here I can put some ice cream, but I already put it, so that's okay. Put it in there. So there we go. Everything good? So the last is going to be these ice creams for today because I don't have too many time. So here it is. Some ice creams right down here. I will take this like for the sprinkles. Let me put it. Oh, I'm actually backwards. So here are the sprinkles. So there's one cooking already, a delicious one. Here are two of these, yummy delicious ones. And I will put this ice cream like, you know, normally. Oh, some space. Strawberry. I have an idea for these ones. Where's the chocolate one? Where did it is? Over here. So can I show you something next? Oh wait. Wait, here. So I will put some persons in here because I was having this perfect idea with it. Yeah. So here it is. So here there's Lushy. Put it right over here next to it. Now Woody. Oops. like this. But you need to get a little close. There we go. So they're all ready for the chocolate. I always forget the chocolate. So it matches with Woody. I'll put it right here. And this one matches with Jesse's hair. So to the strawberry one. It looks so pretty. And the last one I'm going to put right. And before I ended it, I wanted to show you this book that says all the ingredients with these dolls. And my grandpa said this was me. That was so weird. Why did he say that? That was me. Why did I know me? So here's more pages that you can even find. And also, like it says right here, I write it right over here. Look at. And also, we're going to write out ice cream. Ice cream, and I will write. Oh wait. It hurt. So I will see you next time. Goodbye.